Let's look back at the evolution of blockchains to date and the sacrifices that have been made along the way. 17 years ago, Bitcoin proved the value of decentralization, and Ethereum added programmability on top. Then you have chains like BNB Chain and Solana, when the pursuit of throughput reduced the number of nodes in the network and increased the requirements of each individual node. Ethereum's response to this was Layer 2s, which continued to push throughput, but further sacrificed decentralization and security. Despite their differences, every one of these blockchains shares the exact same architecture. They're all completely homogeneous. Every node downloads every transaction, stores the same data, and runs the same computation. If it's not obvious, the fatal flaw here is replication. The same work is being done over and over and over again. So we asked a different question. What if we could eliminate replication entirely? And then we did. Introducing Zero. Zero and Ethereum both start with a beacon chain. In Zero, we introduce Atomicity Zones, permissionless environments fully owned and governed by the underlying network. You can think of Ethereum as having one Atomicity zone, the EVM itself. Zero can support hundreds of zones. Rather than having every node do everything, Zero allows the network to specialize. Compute only happens once. The result is then proven cryptographically and verified by every node. The outcomes of these design choices is dramatic. You're talking 1/10,000th of a penny per transaction, effectively unlimited block space, and compute that's trivial to verify rather than expensive to reproduce. Zero is a result of reimagining blockchain architectures from first principles, shedding the constraints of design decisions made 15 years ago without ever sacrificing the underlying principles of decentralization, permissionlessness, and censorship resistance. This is how we go from the world computer to the world economy. This is Zero.